Hi guys! So I've got another video for this channel. How exciting! God. So it was recently you don't know who our is. Mine and my husband's 15th wedding anniversary. Can I get a cheer please? A high five? A well done? You know, we all know how hard it is nowadays, don't we girls? 15 years and 17 years together altogether. So we went away and I decided I really wanted to go to Skegness because I love Skegness. So we stayed in this hotel, which we've been in before, but it's really nice. But there was an offer on the hotel and it was cheaper than the one that we usually go to. So yeah, we decided to go for 2 nights. Anyway, long story short, I didn't do any vlogging or anything there because, you know, I just wanted to enjoy it because we haven't been away for quite a while now. I just wanted to enjoy it. It's like literally Skegness is a town centre, loads of arcades, and that's about it really. But we did go to, this place I cannot remember, but we travelled 2.5 hours to get to it. And my husband doesn't know how to, well, no, I'll tell a lie. He knows how to drive, he just isn't licensed, he hasn't got a licence, he's got a provisional. So as long as I'm in the car with him, he can drive. So we sorted it off the driving each, but that helps me out tremendously. So in the 2 days or 3 days that we were there, I did buy some things, so I thought I would show you what I bought from, well, apart from a couple of places, it's a lot like where I live, you know, you can buy the things. But I did go in some charity shops and these trousers where I've got, which I haven't actually got with me, I'm going to have to get them. How can I forget these trousers? They haven't been off my back since I've had them. I will go and get them. And then I'll tell you the price, because that is a whole different thing.
One eternity later.
Okay, got them. So these are leggings and these are a UK size 18, which I'm usually in. And they look like this. They are gorgeous. They're like jeggings. And what I do, I roll them up at the bottom. Put fake tan on your legs. You've got to put fake tan on your legs for anything with a roll up bottom to look good. So I roll them up. And they were £4. Not quite sure how much that. I'll put what it is in US dollars, and then whatever I tell you, you can sort of guess how much it would be in America. But I love this pattern, and because it's black it makes it sort of slimming, but yeah, I absolutely love them. Now usually I would bring them home and I would wash everything, but I was in Skegness so I couldn't. So they smelt clean. It was one of the, how can I put it, higher end charity shops, so you could tell and smell that they were clean. I don't know how I'm going to put everything. So the other 2 things I got from charity shops was this. I'm not proud, see, I will go and go around charity shops. I'm just like my grandma like that. You just hate it when the lipstick gets stuck in the corner of your mouth, hate that. So this is, I can't even read what it's from. It's just a simple brown top and it's just got like, it hangs really nice actually, and as I say, I don't have many things that are brown. Well, I don't think I've got any tops that are brown, so I thought, you know, that was literally £1.50. Now this, it was a case of if I walked out the shop, I would carry on thinking about it. So I bought it, so I didn't keep on thinking about it, and it was literally £2.50. And I'm pretty sure this is somebody who has knitted this themselves. How cute is that? It's obviously sleeveless, but it's got, I am big on necks. I hate anything that comes up here, hate it. So it sort of hangs like that. It's really pretty. So £2.50, I wasn't going to moan at. So before I show you the other things that you can get from like Superdrug or anywhere like that, I bought these trousers from, Skegness has got the best market in the world. Obviously it doesn't, but it's got an amazing, it's huge market. If you ever want to go to Skegness, they have a massive theme park, and at the side of that they have a market, and it's amazing. Now I got these trousers from there and I looked at them and thought, I am never gonna get in them trousers. So I got the biggest size that there was, which this is not me, by the way. I got a 2XL to 3XL. I am not this. But when you saw the XL, which I would have been, it's like that big. Like, you know, that big. But this is 2XL to 3XL. Do you see where I'm going with the sizes? And I'm like, this is never going to fit me. I mean, come on. I mean, it can't even fit around my shoulder. They do. They don't seem that stretchy. But the only problem is, I have got really bad problems with both of my knees, and they are forever swollen. And because these are so tight, these show up every nook and cranny that is wrong with your body. So I love these because they're so different. They've just got, obviously, these coming down, but they don't show skin. They sort of end there, and it goes all the way down to the bottom, and then you've got like the tie off at the bottom. They are so cool. These were £6 off the market, guys. They've even got pockets in. I mean, how can, seriously, because they fit so snugly, there's nothing that will fit in these pockets, I swear. But they even have pockets on the back. So I am doing my best, because I have put a teensy bit of weight on since we've been away, because all I ate was crap. It was my anniversary, it's my holiday, and damn girl, I am going to eat what I want. Oh my God, I've got a story for you. So we went this place, which I can't remember, and I had some donuts. They were the best donuts I have ever tasted in my life. So I'm walking down the street, and I'm eating my donut, and I got a quarter of this donut left, and it was in my hand, and I'm walking down the street. Next minute, I felt this thing go and off. A seagull the size of my head come down, swept down with precision timing. It didn't hurt me, it didn't bite me, it didn't land on me. Precision timing, swooped down, got the quarter of the donut and flew off. And I'm standing there like this. And then you get everybody saying, "Oh, are you okay?" It was so embarrassing. It was so embarrassing. "Are you okay? Did you?" And then you get this old man coming up and saying, "Bloody," you know, slagging the seagulls off, because they are massive, guys. They are. If I've still got the picture on my phone, I will show you how big these seagulls are. They are huge. They're massive. Well, I'm not surprised if they keep nicking everybody's food. But that was the most weird thing that's happened to me. That's happened to my husband once when he was walking around with a Greg sausage roll, and he was just about putting his mouth, but the bird landed on his head, pecked it off, and flew off. These are true stories. I shit you not. These are true stories. Also from the market, I have got every pair of these going, but I've got them in like blue. So I decided I want a pair of black ones. Now these are mainly flowery. If I remember, I'll do a picture of my other ones, because I've got a few pairs of these. They are so comfortable. These come in like just one size fits all. Well, not if you're like really thin, obviously. And so I've got this. And again, they rolled up at the bottom. That's how their style is. And it's just like a really... See the difference in that and this? It's like night and day, isn't it? They have got pockets in them. And all these I've found are £10. So... I really like them. I am so sorry, I'm not going to do a try on this time. Well, I don't think I've ever done one, because I'm just chilling today. I'm at no hard work, I'm just chilling. But the reason I wanted to do this video today is because I bought a new purse, and if I don't film this video today and I go out that door and forget my purse, I'm going to have to come back. So, you know. We had to go and obviously get some food. So I think the only other thing I have got, two things. So also off the market, there were these cars, and Harley is really into his cars, and I bought him a lollipop. It's like a dummy lollipop. Thought they were smaller than that, but anyway. The last two things off. Like this was inside Skegness, but in a shop, marketplace, wherever. I saw these. These are apparently the new season. I love these though. They are so comfy. Look at them. I don't know what they're supposed to say. VK? I'm really not sure. But look at the diamantes on them, guys. So these were £10, I think, but it had a warning on the back which I've never really seen before, and this warning says diamantes only for decorative use. So in other words, are they gonna fall off? And this is my purse. This is my purse. Look how cool that is. This I paid £7 for. It's just like, it opens up there, and then that part. That's my little puppy who died last year. And then you just got your thing for your change. Love that purse. Superdrug then, I got another one of my Gosh powders in a number 6 honey. And I also got another Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Dreamer number 10. So that is true to colour of, let me get out of the way, of what it is inside. I like this wand as well. It holds quite a lot of product. So I do like this wand, very nice. So 2 other things I got from Superdrug which were on offer are these argan oil hair therapies. Guys, these are unbelievable. Say you've got the worst shampoo and conditioner for your hair that you ever made in the history of man. So your hair's all matted and horrible by the time you've done it. You do pumps of these on your hair and it will be as soft as a baby's bottom. Seriously, it is amazing stuff. And for a long time now in Superdrug, these have been sort of buy one get one half price. So I think this one's £3.99 and then you get the other one half price, but they are so worth it. Right guys, I can't wait to use this. So there's been like a trend on YouTube recently of like doing kiss acrylic and stuff, and people are using it. Now this brand is called Amazing Shine. I cannot wait to use this. This was, as you can see, not cheap for £15.99. Basically 16 quid. In here you get a clear, you get your acrylic liquid, a glue, 2 stick things to push your cuticles back, 2 brushes, a buffer, a dapping dish and a file. Well, I suppose when you get all that, 16 quid. But I cannot wait to see if it's any good. Last time I used something like this, within 5 minutes the brush was not usable. Just not usable. It was ridiculous. So I'm really excited to see if this works. Now this shop is called Beauty Something and it is going in other places in England. So before you all rush out and buy this, let's do some investigating to see if this is any good first. So yeah, it's even got stickers. Stickers! Like stickers, I mean, come on. So yeah, I'm really excited to use it. Oh, it also includes 40 nail tips. I mean, wow. Alright guys, well that is okay, let's try that again. Okay guys, so that is the end of my haul. Really hope you enjoyed this one. If you wanted to know anything else about the products or anything else that I've got, please ask below and I will be sure to try and answer your questions. I don't think you will though, because you know, it's just like everyday stuff. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you next time. Bye guys.